Thinking about buying a wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver but not sure which one to pick? The market is full of options. Some say long range is the most important, others highlight low latency, and some insist 4K support is a must. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed customer reviews, expert opinions, and real-world performance to bring you the top 5 best wireless HDMI transmitters and receivers, perfect for camera live streaming, filmmaking, content creators, and home setups. Don't skip ahead, watch till the end to find out which one is the right fit for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. The Lemorele Wireless Extender Kit delivers crystal clear 1080p at 60Hz video with ultra-low 0.05s latency across distances up to 200 meters. Dual power options, USB-C charging or NPF batteries make it perfect for mobile setups. Its plug-and-play design lets you connect the transmitter to your camera, laptop, or PC, and the receiver to your monitor, TV, or projector. No complicated setup needed. With advanced H.264 codec technology and a high-gain antenna, one transmitter can support up to 4 receivers, ensuring smooth, high-quality video on large screens. Monitor your feed on Android or iOS with the TuTuPlay app, ideal for live streaming, filmmaking, presentations, and professional setups. Item number 4. Experience ultra-low latency wireless video with the ACCSOON CineView 2 SDI, delivering 0.05s delay and long-range transmission up to 1,500 feet, 450 meters. Its dual-band 2.5 GHz technology ensures stable, uninterrupted streaming even in crowded environments. The transmitter supports HDMI and SDI input with loop-through output, while the receiver provides UVC output for direct live streaming to OBS, YouTube, or TikTok. Monitor feeds on up to 4 devices simultaneously, including Android and iOS with the CineView SE app. Designed with fanless, lightweight aluminum construction and low power consumption, it ensures quiet, efficient operation. Perfect for live events, filmmaking, sports coverage, and professional multi-camera setups, CineView 2 makes wireless video smooth, reliable, and professional. Item number 3. The VRIS 400-meter wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver delivers 1080p at 60Hz Full HD video with ultra-low 0.05s latency, making live streaming and presentations smooth and professional. One transmitter can connect to up to 5 receivers, ideal for multi-device setups or collaborative projects. The receiver features a 7-inch LCD screen for real-time monitoring and intuitive control, while the built-in battery compartment allows portable, wireless operation anywhere, battery not included. Supporting most HDMI devices, including cameras, laptops, computers, projectors, and TV boxes, it ensures wide compatibility. With stable 400 meters transmission, infrared control support, and plug-and-play setup, this kit is perfect for outdoor shoots, live streaming, home entertainment, and professional presentations. Item number 2. The ACCSOON CineView SE Wireless HDMI SDI Transmitter delivers 1080p 60fps video with ultra-low 0.05s latency over distances up to 1,200 feet, making it perfect for remote shoots and multi-camera setups. Featuring dual-band 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz transmission, it ensures a stable, interference-free signal. The device supports HDMI and SDI input-output with loop-through, while monitoring is available on up to 4 apps simultaneously. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, the fanless, lightweight design ensures quiet, durable operation. Compatible with NPF batteries, DC, or USB-C power, CineView SE offers seamless setup, plug-and-play operation, and professional-grade reliability for live events, filmmaking, and content creation, elevating your video production workflow. Item number 1. The QKens 200mm wireless HDMI extender lets you wirelessly transmit Full HD 1080p audio and video up to 200 meters in a barrier-free environment. Say goodbye to long HDMI cables and complicated setups. This plug-and-play system works with DVDs, DVRs, TVs, cameras, laptops, and gaming consoles. The transmitter and receiver pair automatically without Wi-Fi or drivers, making it perfect for home entertainment, live streaming, and presentations. It supports dual display setups, allowing seamless connection from your laptop or camera to TVs or projectors. Compact and efficient, the built-in wireless protocol ensures smooth, reliable, and eye-friendly large-screen viewing. Enjoy effortless, high-quality wireless HDMI transmission anywhere. Which of these wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.